fewer than 6,600 African wild dogs remain in the wild, with the largest population found in Botswana. Here, vital conservation efforts are protecting dens and tracking packs across Botswana. In the golden light of Botswana's wild places, their strength lies in unity, each step a signal, each member vital to the hunt. On that morning, the hunters returned empty-handed, but full of spirit, ready to try again. A moment of connection, pups and parents sharing wisdom in the language only wild dogs understand. At the water's edge, a family united, wild dog pups drinking alongside mom and dad, bound by one of nature's strongest social ties. Full of energy and instinct, the pups play tug-of-war, a joyful glimpse into the strong bonds and spirited lives of wild dogs. This alpha female Krakatoa is one of the Botswana Predator Conservation Trust's closely tracked dogs. Born to run free, this wild dog charges through the delta, living proof that with protection, the wild still thrives. Every step forward is a reason to hope. Protecting wild dogs means protecting the future of the wild. The wild dogs need you. Support the Botswana Predator Conservation Trust.